Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada with Simply Vegas. So today we are here in the city of Las Vegas, out in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley, just right off of Jones and the 215, located on the south side of the 215. As you can see, we have 3 homes that share a driveway right here. This is a very unique home. Now, also you have some parking here, but on the main road, you don't have much parking. As you can see, we do have some guest parking right here, which is nice. If you have 2 cars, not bad, right? Now, this home right here, believe it or not, this home is priced at $305,000. This is the add value property. What I mean by that is, this is really priced way below the comps, right? The comps here are $350,000. Now this is a great value, a great deal. So that's the reason why we're going to be exploring this home. In addition to that, this is also for a client out in Maui too as well. So we're going to take a look at this and see exactly what we have. So we have the gas meter here on this side here. Home is facing south. Right above here, where you see the holes inside that stucco, that means there was a dish TV at one point. Okay. Now on the metal flappings right there, as you can see, you have some discolorations. The paint is peeling off. That is not a big deal. The exterior of the home is in decent shape, maybe at a scale from 1 to 10. I'm gonna say, let's just say maybe about a 4. Now, let's take a look at the size of this home here. So this home right here features 1,394 square feet, 3 bedrooms, total 3 toilets, okay? Now the carpets here, you definitely need all brand new carpets, standard 1-inch generic baseboards, mica countertops, okay? Now I know you're looking at this and you're like, oh my gosh, this home, why are you showing this home? Because of the value of this home. Now this is actually more of a great starter home, right? Now if you can buy this for $305, laminate flooring, okay, just all stock and standard. You're gonna need new countertops, the cabinet doors, you can paint these, brand new sink, okay. A lot of wear and tear. I can tell you that eventually, at one point this was actually a rental property, okay? The outside here is roughly about 2,300 square feet on the lot size. So let's go outside for a second, because this is going to be your side yard. So now we have a commercial section on this side here on the back side. Retaining walls are a little bit low, however, it's pretty high on this side. So for somebody to jump over, it's a little bit hard. Okay, you got Roberto's here. Then you got a place called right here, okay, Uncle's Frankie Hawaiian Barbecue. Check that place out. I was actually introduced to that place from a buddy of mine, okay, and I forget my buddy's name because I just lost my train of thought. Oh, Augie T from Hawaii. But I've eaten there a couple times. They have some great chicken, okay, if you like that fried chicken. And with that fried chicken, I don't know what they use. They kind of use some sort of like a buttery garlic type. I'm telling you, it's delicious with some rice. So on the exterior here, you got some discoloration. This color right here, this tells me that at one point the slab wasn't here. Water was splashing along this stucco, and that's why you get that discoloration here, that brown, as you can see, okay. The sun also beats on this side too as well. I can just tell by the color of the blinds. You see how the blinds are beaten up? So the sun exposure is coming up on this side. Will beat up on this side a lot. So you're going to get a lot of your damage on this side of the home. And then also on the front side, because now the sun's going to set here on the west side. So these are things that you should just be looking at, right? It's amazing how now you can just start looking at homes and your home kind of tells a story as far as like wear and tear. Like this is the extra stuff above and beyond of what we do for our clients, okay? 6-panel door. All your doors, all your trimming, ceilings have to be painted. Okay. You're doing about $1.50 a square foot right now for paint. Here's your half bath. Let's go take a look at the garage. Now this is going to be a short video, guys. It is what it is, but that's just how it is. A 2-car garage, however, you're not going to be able to fit a large 2-car garage because, as you can see, you have a foot here and a foot here. So if you have 2 small cars, that's fine. Also, the garage door here is only 6 feet. So if you have like a large Jeep like myself, you probably won't be able to fit in here, okay? I love the fact that you have a refrigerator outside, but I guarantee you that's probably not a designated outlet or designated line. Man, they got a Cat 6 right here. The garage definitely needs to be painted. Carpets need to be ripped out. I guess while I'm here, I'm just going to turn off the lights. Gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Also, somebody was complaining about my frame rate. Now, what they mean by that is every time I pan and I move around, they're like, you're getting me dizzy, you're getting me sick. So now I just went back to my old gimbal and also my old GoPro 7. It's very hard to please everybody. But as you walk in here, I love just how like open this just feels, doesn't it? Now let's go upstairs. Take a look at the other rooms here. See what we have. Also, let's take a look from this point of view. Look at that. Alright, let's go down this hallway. Now, if you guys want more information about this property, we'll have it in a link in the description below. Also, I'm running out of breath. Okay. So here's the primary. Primary is 14 by 13. You got your coax here. Again, all brand new carpets. You got a Hunter ceiling fan. Let's take a look at the bathroom here. So you can see we got carpets. All this stuff has to get ripped out. You got 1 sink. I can't believe they put carpet next to the tub back in the day. Now, if you guys do flooring, depending on the type of flooring, you better make sure, especially if it's luxury vinyl, is it water resistant, right? And also check the mils on your flooring, which is the thickness. Is it the commercial grade as well? I know a lot of you guys are probably looking at this and be like, oh my God, this thing is so horrible. But man, this is a great deal. Matter of fact, this is a steal. I guarantee it. You're gonna have multiple offers. I mean, all this got to go. Oh, I like that window right here. I think this is the best feature of this home. A window right in the laundry room. You do have a drain pan, which is really nice. Okay. What do we have here? So your thermostat's here. Linen closet. Here's your 10 by 10 in the bedroom here. You got a cable outlet. Now, taxes, what I like about this is only $1,337 on your taxes. Now, if we take a look here, it looks like your seams for your windows here are starting to split out. The reason why is because the heat in front of the house here, right, with your dual pane windows, there's probably a hole in it now. That's why you see that discoloration there. Those could be pricey to change out. because you're gonna have to do the stucco and the frame. For me, it's not a big deal. HOAs are only $48 a month, guys. $48 a month. Looks like you need some brand new smoke detectors. Another thing, if you buy a home, you might want to just change out all your smoke detectors. Check the batteries every 6 months. I mean, take a look at this. This is, I seen this, I was like, I gotta come and film this. All the outlets have to be exchanged. So I could literally redo all this, probably less than $30,000. When I say 30,000, cabinets, everything, appliances, like redo everything, get this thing up and ready. And the location, I love the location. You got a lot of shopping nearby too as well. All right, guys, if you guys want more information regarding this property, I'll have a link in the description below. Also, I will have in the comments. Let me know what you would actually offer on this home, right? And, okay, there's already a bunch of offers on here. If you can guess how many offers are on this home as of today, right? You could have a chance to win some CKG gear, some merch. And I will announce the winners in the comments. And I'm going to send you some new winter merch. That's right. All right, guys. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. And don't forget to tune in this week, Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, where we talk about real estate and financing on the LV Home Experts Radio Show. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. And be blessed, folks. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.